Okay, let's consider multiplication of polynomials. We have a question here: 7x cubed minus 5x squared plus 4x minus 9 by x squared plus 6x minus 5. Now, to solve this question, we are going to arrange these polynomials based on their powers. So we have, first one is 7x cubed minus 5x squared plus 4x. Now, we're arranging them based on their powers, okay? Minus 9. Now, minus 5 is a constant, minus 9 is a constant, so it will be, minus 5 will be under this. Minus 5, the next one, plus 6x. All of them, they have power of 1, the x carries 1. Then the next one is x squared. That's plus x squared. So this is power of 2. So we're arranging them based on their powers. I have a multiplication sign. We're asked to multiply. So multiply this, multiplication of polynomials. So we're multiplying this. So minus 5 times minus 9 will give us minus, we're using this 5 to multiply all terms here. We'll pick this to multiply all the terms, pick this to multiply all the terms. So minus 5 times minus 9, we have minus 45, sorry, plus 45, because minus times minus is plus, 5 times 9, 45. The next one is minus 5 times plus 4x. We're going to be having minus 20x. Next thing, minus 5 times minus 5x squared. We're going to be having plus 25x squared. The next one, minus 5 times, here is a plus sign. A number without a sign is a plus sign, a plus number. Minus 5 times 7x cubed. We're going to have minus 35x cubed. This is for this first one, for 5. Then we go to plus 6x. We used plus 6x to multiply each time here also. Now we start writing under this because that's what we're using to multiply. So we have plus 6x times minus 9. 6 times 9, we're going to be having minus 57. Minus 57x. 6 times 9 is 57. Minus times plus is minus. Then the x comes here. Okay, the next thing is minus plus 6x times plus 4. 6 times 4 is 24. So I'm going to have plus 24x squared. Plus 24x squared. The next one is plus 6x times minus 5x squared. I'm going to be having 6 times minus plus times minus, have minus. 6 times 5, we have 30. X times this, we have x cubed. The next one is, we're using this to multiply this, plus 6 times plus 7. We're going to have 6 times 7 is 42. So I'm going to be having a plus times a plus is plus 42. 42 x times this, I'm going to have x raised to the power of 4, because x times x cubed is x raised to the power of 4. Now we move to this x plus x. We're using plus x to multiply every term here. So plus x squared times minus 9. Now we'll begin writing under this because we're using this to multiply. So plus x times minus 9 is minus 9x squared. If you observe, the powers are the same. Plus x times plus 4. Plus x squared, times plus 4x. We're going to have plus times plus is plus. We're going to be having plus 4x cubed. Now, the next one is plus x times minus 5x squared. Plus times minus is minus. X times 5x squared. We're going to be having 5x raised to the power of 4. If you observe, the powers are going to be the same. Don't forget, when we say x squared times x, what you do is you pick one of these and add the power. The power here is 1. 1x. The power here is just 1. So we have 2 plus 1 to give us 3. So the same thing, x3 times x. We're going to give the power here is 1. If you have just x, the power is 1. So you pick one of the x and add the powers. So we have x4. Now, so we have use this to multiply this. The next one is plus x squared times 7x cubed. We're going to be having a plus sign plus 7x x squared times this, we're going to have x raised to the power 5. This is what we have. So if you like, you can delete the plus sign. Now we are done multiplying. We have used this to get this. We have used this to obtain this. We have also used this to obtain this. So the next thing we'll do, we'll plus. Just the way we know we do a normal multiplication in base 10. Now we'll add this. Nothing is here. We'll bring down plus 45. The next one, we're adding, taking note of the signs. Minus 20 minus 57. Minus 20 minus 57. This is what we have. 0, this 7. If you have anything like this, what you do is this, just add the numbers and attach a minus sign to it. So 0 plus 7 is 7. 2 plus 5 is 7. So we have minus, okay, minus 77x. Now we come back to this minus plus plus minus. We're going to have minus. Now, or let's better see, let's look at it. Now 25 plus 24. 25 plus 25 plus 24. We have 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. Rather than 0, carry 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. So we have 50. That's 5. Okay, this is 4. Sorry. So we'll have 9 here. 25 plus this is 49. So we have 49. 49 plus, okay, so this will give a plus sign. So we are having minus 49 plus 49 minus 9. So what we do is this, if you have anything like this, what you just do is to subtract. Just say 49 minus 9 to give you 40. And what's the sign that the bigger number is carrying? It's a plus sign. So here we're going to have plus 40x squared. Don't forget this minus is here. Okay. The next one is minus 35 minus 30. Minus 35 minus 30. If you have anything like a minus, what you do is add them and add a minus sign, attach a minus sign to the answer. So we're just going to say 35 plus 30, which will give us 65. So you just attach a minus sign to your answer since they are all minus. So we have minus 65 plus 4. Minus 65 plus 4. So if you have a minus sign and a plus sign, that's what we said earlier, you subtract, just like here, you subtract. So 65 minus 4 will give us 5 minus 4, 1, 6 here. We'll have 61. Now, the bigger number is 65 and it is carrying a minus sign. So our answer here will carry minus 61x cubed. Now, coming down to this, plus 42 minus 5. Plus 42 minus 5. So plus 42 minus 5. So the same thing, you will subtract, because as I said earlier, 42 minus 5, this is 12. Borrow 1 from here, here becomes 3. 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 is 7. 12 minus 5 is 7. 12 minus 5 is 7. Now we have 3 left here. I have 3 left here. So we have 3 left here. So what we're going to be having is 37. I have 37. If you observe, the bigger number is carrying a plus sign. So we're going to be having plus 37. Sorry. Plus 37x raised to the power of 4. Let me write this properly. Then there's nothing here, so I'm bringing down this 7x raised to the power of 5. Thank you very much for watching, and do not forget to like, to share, and to subscribe.